I apologize for not being able to send out these recaps for the past couple weeks, but I'm not gonna lie. Like, since school started, it's been kind of rough. Like, I recorded one, like the first week of school, and then the audio was just messed up. And then after that, I was on a little losing streak. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was on a little losing streak, but we figured some stuff out, and I'll tell y'all what that is. It's just simply looking at the 1 hour trend and making sure my trades are aligning with the 1 hour in some sort of way, like at least like with the price action, you know what I'm saying? So let's just get into this review. We're in replay mode for all these trades, and I'm gonna just tell y'all like my thought process. So this is on Monday with EJ. Man, this is the entry. It's about to, hold up. All right, whatever. So I want to enter. I enter like right here, and I'm feeling good. But then that happens. I get out like right here. Like right here, I get out because it goes down, and I just stopped watching after that. And next thing you know, later in the day, trade ends up winning. So that was kind of irritating because I really wanted to just get to the point where I can let my trades play out, and that's what I'm really trying to do now. Just let my trades play out, because I hate when this stuff happens. Like, I'd rather just let it hit stop loss or hit take profit, bro. Like, you already took the trade. You know, I got the breaking structure. And I'm just like, all right, bro, let's just take it. And it ends up winning, right? But I get out early, not feeling confident in my judgment and stuff like that. So if there's something that you guys want to learn, man, trust your judgment. Your trades might end up winning. They might lose too, but as long as you can go back and review your trades, like, see what you're doing right, see what you're doing wrong. Because when I was on my losing streak, I saw what I was doing wrong, and I'm fixing that. And I definitely started taking some more dubs since then. So next, we got this GJ trade. I see we on a little uptrend, you know what I'm saying? The 1 hour, we were breaking structure. This obviously isn't going with the 1 hour trend, like I was just saying, but this was nice because I just see that it's going up, man. And sometimes the 1 hour is not always going to show, but I like this trade, so I ended up getting in a little late. I got up around here. Like, after I get up, I'm like, oh, shoot, I see this. But then I just get in, bro, because, like, I'm thinking that it can reach all the way up here, but I'm just go for my one-on-one. And that's exactly what it does. Takes the dub, feel good. Should I be done for the day? Yeah, I should. You know, I just took a dub early in the day. It's Tuesday. I'm in school now, so I got class around here. I got class around 10:20. You know, I can get ready. I can maybe go to the gym or something, but I decided to stay on the charts. But yeah, you see it hit the yesterday's high. Yeah. I decided to stay on the charts and get in this GU trade. Now, when we look at this GU trade, I'm feeling good about it because it's like just like this GJ trade, right? But the only difference is that there's not, on GJ, there's not a whole bunch of demand setups below it. You know? This GU trade had a demand setup right here, which is the one I took. And then you got one down here. Shoot. You got one down here. So that creates a lot of possibilities on what could truly happen. You don't know what's going to happen. So I just took this next one because it just went with the plan. Oh, also, you see the 1 hour. It's also in a downtrend, which didn't help my case at all. But I'm seeing it like broke some structure. We were pretty low. Like, this downtrend was going on for a while. we can go all the way back, but yeah, that downtrend is going on for a while. So, and I see it break structure here. Like it's breaking some structure, man. So I get in, you know, it breaks the candle, but it's just not enough buying power. This was an L. I held the trade to stop loss, which is something that I felt decent about because since this trade, I didn't let it play out and it won. So let's just say I let this one play out. I'm 2-1 for the week, right? But instead, I'm 1-2 because I'm not letting my trades play out. I'm not letting the dice roll. It's like you're rolling the dice and then you just stop it. You just put it in your pocket. Like, bro, you got to see what happens. So anyways, next up, we got an AU trade. This seemed like a common trend, a lot of just straight uptrend, and I like this trade a lot. It was high. It was pretty high, I'm not going to lie. But you see we're on an uptrend on the 1 hour, which made me feel good about it too. AU does play around a lot. And looking at it, okay, you got one zone right here. You got one demand zone right there. You got one right there. But it obviously like reacted off some zones. This was definitely a high trade. But I felt good about it because it wasn't like GU where we're already making that selling volume and we're going down to the demand zones. And you see how it's reacting. So I got in. Boom. We're going up. And I'm like, dang, bruh, what's going on? We're close to hitting TP. And I see we're going down again. And it's just playing around. So, me again ends up... wait, what am I doing? I got out early. I got out this trade early. But the candles are definitely a little manipulated right now. But I ended up getting out early around here. Because I just see like, boom, you got this big red candle. And then it just goes down again into my entry. So I get out. Next thing you know, it hits TP. So that's another trade that I'm just like, bro, what am I doing? So now I'm in that shoulda, coulda, woulda stage where I'm like, bro, I could have been 3-1. Dub, L, dub, dub. That's what it should have been. 3-1 for the week and profit, feeling good. But instead, I'm 1-3 because I'm not letting my trades play out. So that was a little unfortunate. But I do feel good just knowing that if I hold my trades, I can be in profit. You know, I'm ready to see some results, man. Like, I'm in no rush, but I'm ready to see some results of like what actually happens when I stay in the trade, and when I let this strategy play out. You know, shout out Doyle. See what happens when I let this strategy just play out, man. And I'm taking these quality trades, so that's what I really want to see. I just want to see the results. Next up, you got GU. Let's keep in mind there's news at 9:45. This trade, I felt good about it because we're on a downtrend. And, you know, we're still on a downtrend on the 1 hour too. But we're in a downtrend. You know, we're going up here, right? But then we end up going down again. Then we didn't break like any major highs, right? We're breaking all these minor ones. So even though this one didn't have like a big break of structure, major break of structure, it had some minor ones too. And I just took it because I felt good about it, just going with the trend. So yeah, that's my break of candle entry. I get in. You know, I'm recognizing that news is at 9:45. So now it's 9:30. 9:35. 9:40. And this is literally like exactly where I get out. Because news is about to hit. And I'm just like, bro, it's close to my TP, but you don't know what's going to happen during news. It could, hey, for all I know, it could just go all the way down. And you can make a big amount of money, right? But that's not what I chose to do. I just chose to be safe and get out, which was a good thing. Because you see what happened after. That's a lesson, bro. When it's news, you close before that, especially just because you just don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's going on now, but you just don't know what's gonna happen. So that is it for the week. I hope you guys could enjoy this, learn something. It's Trading View acting up right now, but yep, that's me for the week. Next week we'll be back, and that's all I got for y'all, man. Hold your trades.